Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rosa and today we are going to be taking a look at the Tamagotchi Paradise, doing a little unboxing and first play and just taking a look at what this Tamagotchi has to offer. So enjoy! So let's start by looking at the packaging. I found this in Zing, which is a store in Australia where you can buy various pop culture merchandise and clearly Tamagotchis, which I didn't know. I was going to buy it then and there because impulsively, yes, of course I wanted to buy this. But they didn't have the pink version. They had a purple version with pink on top, and then they also had a blue version. But I looked online and I found this one, and it was actually $5 cheaper. So this Tamagotchi Paradise was 70 Australian dollars, which is probably like 50 US. And then it also got this little pouch case for it as well, which has little kitty ears on it. It's so cute. So I do also have my other Tamagotchis here. Unfortunately, because I hand painted this one, it was kind of like Shirley Barber inspired. So like little fairies and stars. And then on the back, I did a tree. I don't really like the back. I think it's a bit boring, but the front is super cute. So this is one of the original Tamagotchi connections, and this is the new Tamagotchi connection that you can still buy now. I actually have a video on my channel about unboxing this one as well. So if you want to check that out, I'll put it up here. Unfortunately, when I pulled this apart to paint it, I did break the soundboard because the wires were super old. So it's a little bit dodgy now, but I like that I have both of them. I also have the Tamagotchi mini Hello Kitty version. Unfortunately, this takes two like minuscule batteries that are like kind of like the circular width of my pinky, and you need two of them. So I didn't have those. So unfortunately, I can't show you this one. But we're not here for those anyway. We are here to unbox the Tamagotchi Paradise. So let's get straight to it. So I haven't actually read anything about this Tamagotchi, so it's going to be a whole new experience for me as well. So we start with one field and then we unlock more fields and then we go into the sky. So there's the pink one that I got, and then I was tempted to get the purple one, but I just felt like the patterning inside, I liked the green patterning inside better. Then in terms of connecting them, you take Then in terms of connecting them, you take the top off and you smoosh them together, which is really interesting. And then you've also got 50,000 plus Tamagotchi characters, which seems a little insane. But look how cute this one is. It's a little kitty cat looking one. I've never really learned any of the names of the Tamagotchi despite having them my entire life. And then we also have 50 plus activities to nurture your Tamagotchi. And it says you can nurture Tama characters with the zoom lens. And so you can like spin from space to the field into a cell. Whoa, okay. I feel like this isn't making sense to me. So let's actually open it and see what it's like. Ta-da! Now, Tamagotchis these days have absolutely gotten huge. I used to have another Tamagotchi that was this size, and I'm really sad that I sold it. I'm actually heartbroken whenever I think about it. I sold it on Depop, and I bought it in Japan, and so yeah, I'm really sad that I don't have it anymore. But the one thing that is super annoying about these Tamas is that they require 3 AAA batteries, which means they run out like pretty quickly, and then you're just going through so many batteries. So we'll see how long I actually keep up with keeping this thing alive. I know I really don't need to keep the boxes, but I have a problem with throwing away boxes, so I will be keeping this and putting it in storage because you never know. You never know. Now, before we look at the Tama, we had 2 things fall out. We have a nurturing guide, which I will definitely be referencing, and I think just your standard safety precaution things. I'm pretty sure we can figure that out ourselves. But this nurturing guide is so cute. It's actually like in color, which is very rare. Look how cute it is. Wow, so this thing like flips up and that's how you connect. Oh my gosh, I need more Tamagotchi friends. Can someone in real life please buy this and hang out with me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the batteries in. Stupid Tamagotchis. I'll be right back. Now, unfortunately, my pink screwdriver's gone missing, so we're going to have to do with this. Oh, it doesn't need 3, it needs 2. That's slightly better. Ooh. The one thing that I truly miss the most about like the good old days of having Tamagotchi is going to Tamatown and you'd log in online and you'd go and play games on the internet. It was so good. So it looks like we have the option of like so many languages. Oh my god, I've never seen such an extensive Tamagotchi before. English. Welcome to Tamagotchi Paradise. So am I not an egg, but I'm a cell? Did I just give birth to the world? Oh my god, I did! What? My planet is born. What? I get to name my planet? Nurture tamas and make bubble prosperous. Okay. Wow. Oh. Whoa. Oh, I see. So zoom out to the planet. Zoom in to the Earth. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. And I'm guessing Tama obviously will be born soon. Let's read the manual while we're waiting. Oh, never mind. My cute little blob. I used to have an imaginary friend when I was in primary school that looked like this Tamagotchi. It's so interesting because like it's my first Tama where I haven't had like a menu at the top and bottom. Okay, so we've got feed, play, and clean. So let's feed. And now we can play. Alright, we've already got 4 games unlocked, so... Oh my gosh, that's cool. This twisty thing is awesome. I got to the flowers, that's nice. I like games like this where I only have to use my eyes and I don't have to actually like use my hands, you know? Am I doing something right now? 5 versus 0. I don't know what I did. Can I zoom in even more? Oh my gosh, what? So now I'm like inside its body? Wow, what can I do from here? Oh, well now I see its hunger bars and it's happy. It's just a baby Maruchi, but I can't name it. Oh, what does this do? Oh, I get a wallpaper gift. That's nice. But that's it? Like, okay. All right, guys. Well, wait. Oh, it did a poop. Oh. Okay, so there's two realms of that. There's that where we can... Wait, no, that just cleans the Tamagotchi. But I assume the poop is still there. Yeah, it's still over there. Okay, so now can I... Oh, there we go. Interesting. So it's nice that there's different things you can do at each level. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, that's probably going to get full of poop. So what can we do in the field then? We can egg hunt, fields, outside toy. What's fields? Available from level 4. Oh, okay. Available from level 2. Whatever. Oh, and then from here, Tama Stars, Deco Planet, and at level 0. That's nice that it gives you like goals. All right, well, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play with this for a couple days. I'm gonna maybe have it grow up into a teenager or an adult so that we can do some more things together. I'm gonna have a read of the book and I'll get back to you. Of course, I forgot all about the cover we were going to put on. So let's do that now. Oh my goodness, so cute. You know what? The nails are coming off for this. So freaking cute. I also wanted to add a little charm. This is a good luck charm for pet health. So let's pop it right here. So cute. All right, let's give him some time to grow up now. Okay, I am back after about 2 weeks and I have learned so much more about this Tamagotchi. So this is actually my 2nd generation one now. So as you can see, we've actually changed locations. So with this Tamagotchi, there's 3 different worlds. There's land, sea, and sky. So you can go to fields and you can change where you want to go. And I don't have any Tamagotchis there at the moment, but I do still have my original one here. So if I click here, I'll probably find it somewhere. There it is, but it's no longer playable. So I was waiting for a matchmaker to come for ages, and I don't think a matchmaker can come on this Tamagotchi. You have to actually enter lab mode, which is something I didn't know beforehand. I had to Google it. So this one, honestly, it's pretty ugly. I feel like I bred my cat with a weird like dog looking one, and then I moved it to the ocean and I fed it like shellfish, and now it's become this. So I don't really know what this is. The thing I like about this tama is that there's so much to unlock. Like I'm still only level 6 out of 10. And there's like missions and achievements and stuff like that. One thing that I wanted to try out today, but I don't have enough poops, is to go travel. So I think you're not allowed to go until you've collected an entire vat and this is filled up to the top, which is unfortunate because this has taken me like 2 weeks of poop cleaning. So I feel like I still have at least another week to go, but I might upload it as a YouTube short once I go and do it so that you can still watch. But one thing that I wanted to show you that I didn't get to experiment with when I first opened it is lab mode. So this opens up the Tamagotchi lab, which is like the back end essentially. So you can see and update your planet info, what it's called, how many days it's been active for. One thing I don't like about this Tamagotchi is that you don't get to name your Tamagotchis, and then I feel like I don't form as much of an attachment. You can see I've nurtured the one in the land, and then the other one hasn't registered, maybe because it's not like it hasn't had a baby yet. Then you can also look at the missions here, which there's so many missions and I've cleared none of them. So you can click on it and it's times you fed food. I've only done that 180 times, but you do get point rewards. So in this, and there's a lot of missions, in this you can actually only make money if you play the mini games in lab mode. If you play games in the like regular Tamagotchi mode, you actually just do their happiness, but you don't get any points. So these are the mini games, which there's feeding baby milk, delivering vitamin, matching meals, catching poo, cleaning dust, punching meteorite. Feeding baby milk is the easiest. I actually haven't done a few of these. A lot of them only unlocked at level 6, and I literally only just got to level 6. This one is fun. It's kind of like one of those back and forth games where almost like Space Invaders kind of, but less pressure. But it goes for ages and the reward is not that great compared to feeding the babies. So I tend to just feed the babies and make really quick money. That's how you make money, and then that's also how you go to the shop where you can buy items. I can finally buy food that only just unlocked at level 6, and a lot of your Tamagotchis, depending on what type of Tama they are, have different food preferences. So like they can prefer vegetables, that they prefer meat. There's also snacks. Whoa, Be Vivid Juice, 3,000 coins. I suppose that must change the color of your Tamagotchi. Be Pastel, oh my gosh, that's cute. Love, love. Ooh. Then you've got outside toys where you can place in their little zone in their garden. And deco items, which I think is to decorate your planet. Alright. Then in the help tab, you also can hire a babysitter, which costs coins. So you have to save up your coins for babysitter. And then you can also click new Tama, new egg, or breed. And when you breed, you can select from 4 different Tamagotchis to breed with. And that's how I made the baby that I have now, but I'm not sure if there's a natural way for you to make a baby. Alright, I've just educated myself, and it looks like that love potion stuff that I drank, it means that breeding compatibility is 100%. So when you go to the breeding menu, apparently your Tamagotchi might not be compatible with some of these, but if you have the love potion, you will have a 100% success rate. So sometimes when they meet in pair, they don't get along, they fight, but when I did it, they got along quite fine. So let's pick a new mama. I kind of like this one. I don't think this baby's going to be very attractive. Let's do it. So now that we've got this egg, the control has passed over to the egg, so it's following the egg. Oop. Oh, it looks like Voldemort. Now we are officially done with our old Tamagotchi. It's out of our control and we are now in control of the new baby. So I'm going to go and give it some care, make sure it's happy, and I might move it to the sky and we'll continue on with this Tamagotchi journey. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so. I think only 2% of my viewers are subscribed to me, which is crazy. There's 98% of you out there who watch my videos and haven't clicked that button yet. So if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Really helps me out. And yeah, if you enjoy cute kawaii videos, I'm actually moving to Japan soon, which is really exciting. So there's going to be some vlogs coming up for that. And yeah, I just love living a cute life and I love sharing it online with you guys. So I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Bye!